We're gonna hop on the 10:50 flight to Nashville. Gonna get there maybe like 1, I think. I'm gonna bring a little piece of sheet metal for Briscoe to sign. I don't think we're gonna be able to see Matt Benedetto. I made this custom of him last night, so we could, if we went to go see him, I could get it autographed. But that's not gonna work out, which is completely fine. I mean, at least I'm going to the trucks. That's all I really wanted. So we went through the airport. We got to Nashville. My grandma's book had Daniel Suarez, the author, just kind of weird. But we were in business because we were gonna make the truck race. So I was very excited when we were gonna when we pulled up.
What was that called?
That was the fan.
Smart move.
My face over here.
Let's see that. I can't see the number. 24. That's not the Benedetto sponsor. I kind of want to go in there. Oh, that is? Yeah. So cracked and done.
Fan Zone was great. They had these cool promo diecasts, but enough of all of this. I'll let you see actual racing clips.
Yeah, so you can see the truck. They come in and he pulls them to the garage. Yeah. That's so cool. So there's Purdy. And then Sanchez is just going to overlap him on the noise. Purdy's pulling in. But I can't tell for sure until it comes out. Yeah. Or something. 19 went in and now I'm sad. That guy is dead right there. Y'all want to slide down where we're...
I got some cool pictures of the cars on track, but during Xfinity practice, something funny was brewing. So me and my friends, Fusion and Llama, we forgot we were at the race, and we decided to meet up. This is Fusion, if you don't know who he is. We organized a meetup in Discord real quick, and we met him. And the greatest meetup in the history of Nashville Super Speedway meetups happened, and this was it.
Oh my god!
Ignore how stupid I look here. We did not get to meet Llama, unfortunately, so womp womp. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the racing clips in this video, starting with cup practice. Got some other photos, but yeah, we finished practice, and now it was time to stick it for this fan. It was very refreshing. And then we saw some legend cars. The fan zone was full of fun stuff. We went back This was an absolute scam. It was $300 certificate. Yeah, no, it was totally a scam. The trailers are pretty cool, and the haulers, merch haulers, yeah, they're pretty cool. Lots of fun, cool stuff that the fans will do. Here's the Ford Performance Center where we meet Chase Briscoe on Sunday, which was very exciting. They had Custer and Logano show cars on display. They had this Busch Cheddar's show car, which is very cool beans. They had this late model. They had all sorts of stuff here. But they also had nicotine pouches next to it, which honestly I don't get. Here's Ross Chastain's long-lost brother, Chad Chastain. And there's also this funny wheel with a lot of Biden stickers on it. But yeah, it was time for the truck race.
It looks good. Smith got way loose. Really? Holy fuck. Wait, what happened?
Turns out Lawless Allen wrecked in turn 1 for some reason, and Fox didn't get it, so boom, easy cameraman.
Jimmy's on the outside. Come on. Come on, cook for me, Jimmy. Yes.
Oh my God.
It's past the reason.
Better pit stop. That's how he got. That's how it changed.
This guy was being funny. He like took his shirt off in the middle of the race or something. It was average Tennessee redneck. So yeah, that was that'll be part of the race.
Yeah, but he's on that tire. So. Just high five Carson Hocevar.
That's cool.
Just gotta hold the door open.
It's all marbles right here.
Ready.
Down that way? All right. Okay, we already got 2 for Matt Crafton.
Well, you know what? I bet they're all gone now.
People are probably...
I ended up getting some stuff from the track, so that was pretty cool. And I ended up with this photo of me and Hocevar. Anyways, it was Saturday. I had to go to my cousin's softball game. We almost saw this dog die in a car because the owners were being stupid. This was my cousin's dog. But yeah, Sunday now. Woo, yay. Cousin showed up with the obnoxious fits. We got Wendy's. What could possibly be better? A NASCAR race. Yes.
Should do it. They should make us pay for parking. They can make millions.
The checklist was almost complete, but all we had to do was meet Briscoe, the biggest thing of all. So I went into the fan zone with one goal. Anyways, yeah, there's Stenhouse car. There's a lot of cool stuff. There's even more stuff than on Friday night, so yeah, it was cool beans. There was this big line of people in line for a Chastain autograph, which is really funny. Cousin did the mechanical bull, which didn't fare too well for him. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. But we still had the Briscoe bull in mind.
Get it up, Will.
We got diecast, which was cool and fun, but we were only a couple minutes away from the most anticipated question ever.
Got a microphone. If you want to ask and talk with Chase Briscoe, you can do it right now. Yes, sir.
Hey, Chase. So I've seen you many times. Oh, yeah. It's going to be the most important by far. I don't know if you know what's coming, but I saw you at Circuit of the Americas down in Austin in 2022. Asked you, what do you eat for breakfast? Turns out you don't eat anything. I don't eat any breakfast. Yeah. Went up to Nashville the same year, asked you, what do you eat for lunch? Turns out you don't eat anything for lunch. So I went back down to Austin, went to the top of the tallest mountain, swam through a massive sea of water, and I found myself back in Austin, ready to ask you the big question. Yeah. But there were like some sort of technical difficulties with your Q&A. Went back to the top of the tallest mountain.
Give that man a round of applause. He's working. He's
went
working.
through the largest ocean, straight through the deepest valley to ask you the most anticipated question of all time. Chase Briscoe, what do you eat for dinner?
Well, I do eat dinner. It depends on the day. I did have lunch today, though. I will say that. But yeah, dinner, it depends on the day. But I'm pretty picky, so it's like chicken tenders, cheeseburger, pasta. I'm a big pasta guy. I eat pasta probably more than anything else, I would say. But last night, I'm trying to think what I had for dinner last night. Oh, I had a Champy's chicken. I went there. It was in Murfreesboro. I went there. It was pretty good. Yeah. Yes, I went there.
Right on.
Yeah, so I had chicken last night.
So have you concluded your journey now, or were you actually...
What about dessert? I guess
I haven't started that.
I might have to go back to Austin, spin-off series next year. What do you eat for brunch?
Not a brunch guy. Dessert, though. Big lava cake guy. Big lava cake guy.
Remember, you can always work the holidays, too, especially over the holidays. Just open it out there. All right, moving right along. We have got a question for Chase Briscoe. Go ahead.
So that's a little bit of a hard one to follow up on. But I just wanted to know with the...
After we asked the crazy question, we got a photo, and then we were on our way to watch the race.
Going the scanners. Yeah.
What's funny is that this is the same kid from last year. If you remember the vlog, it was the same Kyle Busch raging kid. It was very funny. There was a big pre-race concert. Some Parkham McCullum guy, I don't really care. It was kind of cool because a lot of the people that were next to us were they're from last year as well. But enough talking. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the race from my POV.
He's going in. Stop. Go. Fire it up.
They stacked up like 3 times. There's all those slow cars different, like the 51. They don't get going until they get stacked up. Yeah. Yeah, like that 77 slow that 51, so they shouldn't have been up there.
3 Aria has limited availability. See dealer for financing details. Discover credit cards automatically.
Yeah, I mean, it took forever to get out.
There are a lot of people here.
Fun. Like, I found this bug. I don't know why I took a video of it, but yeah, I just took a video of the bug for some reason. I think it took all in all like 45 minutes to get out. We just ended up turning the car around and going through another like sort of way to get out. Kind of too lazy to make an outro here, so I'll just end it here. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for 400 something subs. Yeah, bye. Here's the outro. Peace out. I'll see y'all later. Maybe some stop motions coming in the future. Yeah, peace.